Yes, they are, and and it's not limited to tier ones. Tier two insurers struggle to become tier one insurers using the current distribution channels. When it comes to agency forces, bank-based distribution, that is controlled by the larger insurers. The second tier of insurers are very interested in digital and the opportunities that provides, because it gives them the opportunity to open up a new channel and to engage with a new group of customers. So we're talking to a number of insurers at the moment about doing proof of concepts. They come in a couple of fashions. One is someone in developing Asia who has a new large distribution channel under development, and they're not looking forward to connecting that to their back-end system. So our technology provides them with an alternative to that. Similarly, in a developed market, we're talking to another insurer who has a new front-end technology to create a digital channel in a developed market. And again, they have a very old back-end system that's not 24/7. That's not easy to develop APIs for this channel to access. And again, we provide them with a viable alternative. So, our purpose is to actually make insurance more accessible to the new generation of Asians who are coming, who want to get access to insurance and don't necessarily want to do it the same way that their mums and dads did. That's our goal. And that applies equally to the two markets I mentioned earlier, to the millennial-minded individuals, in developed markets and this developing middle class of Asians. I think everyone's focused on being end-to-end. You can't put a front end on an old back-end system, and if there's a big disconnect there. If the back-end system has got an 8-hour batch process that starts at 8 p.m. in the evening, then the person with their Fitbit or with their mobile front end is not going to be able to get access to the information they want when they go online after they've had dinner at home in the evening. So they've got to deal with this as an end-to-end situation. I think everyone appreciates that. I think we'll see the first production implementations next year, and certainly the first pilots next year. And by pilots, I mean people doing real products on blockchain-based technology and launching that out to consumers to see how that works and see whether it does deliver the benefits that they're looking for. I think that's evolving. I think people certainly realise that for digital channels, some of the products they have today are not ideal because people can't readily go online and understand the complexities of them. But I think also people are going to look at new simplified products that are more targeted to the upcoming generation. Well, certainly we've spoken to 2 regulators in the region so far, and they're very interested in what we're doing. I think they see it as exciting and something that can perhaps take the industry forward. So they're being very supportive. We're working with them because we want the regulators to understand what we're doing. And that's important. When we go to an insurance company and the insurance company informs the regulator that they're going to be using our technology, we want the regulator to have an understanding of what that is and understand that, using us as a service provider, what the implications are for the insurer.